How to play Dynasty Destiny. So guys, this is a full guide for those who are beginners who are playing it for the first time. So this is how the Dynasty Destiny looks like. This is the icon. So briefly in the beginner's guide, you see the basic controls. Okay, so guys, as you can see over here, these are the basic controls. Over here, this is the auto button that can help you in movement. Over here, you can see this is the acceleration button. This one is a steam roll advance, okay? And then this one is a call for ball. Take an example, if your opponent or if your teammate is having the ball and you're in position to receive it, you can tap on this button over here which says call for ball and you receive it. So if you're over here and you want to shoot to score, you just tap on this button which is the shoot button, and then boom, you shoot and you score. So briefly, this is just a guide of how to play Dynasty Destiny. And over here, you see the scores for the home team and the away team, simply as it is. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.